Hello to all you fire alarm and siren fans on YouTube. It is FS Thunderbolt Fan 1000 here. 1003, even though it's not featured in this video so much. But yeah, so this is going to be an update on the 500, again, 500 SHST. I have the intake cone painted. Kind of bad light, but nice and shiny. Using the super gloss paint. Here it is. Here's the intake compared to a Model 2. Pretty large. Model 2 can fit inside the intake cone. There's a Model A compared to the intake of it. Pretty small compared to the 500 intake cone. I also painted some of the side panels that cover up the collector rings. Got a lot of those painted. More Thunderbolt 1003, RC3 cabinet, 500 control cabinet door. Yeah, when they were loaded up, they scratched the crap out of it. But if you can see, RC5W, made in '69 for the most part. 220 volts, 3-phase, 35 amps, 60 hertz. Same with any American-made siren for the most part. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The controls are in here. That is the RC5W. Let me get my foam light out here. This one's kind of weird. RC5W is a RC5 regular indoor enclosure inside of a weatherproof enclosure. So that's it. That's all that was in there. No telephone relay, as you can read there. Maybe. There we go. If I move it back, you can. RC5-3, so 3-phase contactor. Also made in '69, 60 hertz, 3-phase, 35 amps. The contactor, big 10-horse contactor. This one was controlled with no ring relay, but direct controlled via, let's see if I can grab it, but these two wires right there went directly to the police department, so no ring relay was involved with this siren, which is kind of weird. So they ran wires all the way to the police department, which is only a couple blocks away. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this. We will update you once I get over to my grandma's house where the 500 is. Alright guys, so we're back at grandma's house. As you can see, I got the 500 kind of somewhat taken apart. It's the motor and everything, gear reducer, platform, other platform thing. As you can see, if I really get this baby whipping. Rotation mechanism and all that good jazz. And then a motor cover, horn, screen. So yeah, next we're going to attempt to get the chopper out of the stator. So I'll update you when we get that part done. Alright, we're back from doing the nasty. We got the chopper off. This is it. This is size 11 shoe. Pretty big. Then over here, we got the blowtorch we used to take it apart to get at it. It's the motor shaft. Spins really well, so that won't need to be redone. Here's the stator. We gotta take that apart yet. That's a job for tomorrow, getting the stator off. Then I gotta wire wheel the chopper so that way I can get all the oxidization off. And then pull the stator off, wire wheel that, and that'll be good. For anyone doing this type of thing, I'd recommend the Harbor Freight bolt type wheel puller set. That worked really well. Got the thing off pretty easily, and with a little bit of heat, worked like a charm. So that's pretty much it for today. More 500 SHST videos coming up soon. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.